So this is our king room here at the Hyatt place on Bluebonnet in Baton Rouge. And just to give you a quick overview of the room, these rooms are all kind of set up like suites. They have a living area and then they have a separate bedroom area. And this one's a little bit smaller than they normally are because there's an elevator directly behind the wet bar here. So let's take a look at the wet bar. A nice big mirror over it and very well lit. That's a coffee maker, not in the bathroom, with all the stuff that goes with it. And even a real coffee mug, a real ceramic coffee mug. Earl Grey tea, English breakfast, bunch of sugar and sweet and low. Got 3 packs of those. Up and a second coffee mug here, so I guess it's brewed straight into the mug. A couple places to plug in. And this has hot and cold running water. Down here we have a fridge. Apparently made by Studebaker. A little empty cabinet there. And behind here is just a blank wall. Here we have a television, nice big TV, and I believe these are smart TVs. We've stayed here one time before and we got a smart TV in the last room, so we were able to watch YouTube and Hulu and whatever we wanted on the TV. Over here we have a nice big pull-out couch and a footrest. Now normally these rooms have a corner couch that turns at a 90-degree angle in the corner, but because of the way this room's configured with the elevator, it doesn't have room for that. And this is a pull-out, like I said. It's the artwork on the wall. And then we have the bathroom area. We have a closet over here with an ironing board and an iron, extra bedding, bunch of hangers, luggage rack. Over here we have a drawer with a hair dryer in it, a drawer with a Bible, and an empty drawer. Garbage can under the sink, couple of hand towels and washcloths, and another hand towel and washcloth up here, hot and cold running water. And we have a massage bar, and that's one of those bars with the little fingers on it. It's a massage. I don't really know how that works. I always find it kind of inconvenient to use. But that's a massage bar. And then this is a cleansing bar. We have Pro Vitamin shampoo, makeup remover wipe, nourishing conditioner, box of Kleenex. That's my face mask there. Then in the bathroom itself, we have a stand-up shower and I think, yeah, both of the doors slide. And this thing that I crushed down here is a bath mat. Toilet, fancy flusher. Let's check out the shower head here. Looks like that flows pretty good. No dribbles or. Looks like they must maintain them pretty well. And the bath towels are up here. That's one of those non-stick mats with the suction cups that you can put down on the floor if you want to avoid slipping. Yeah, and they gave us 3 bath towels. So we have a king bed in this room, and that's why we never reviewed this hotel before. The last time we stayed here, we got stuck in a double room, and it was a true double. It had 2 double beds. I didn't realize just how small a double bed is. We always get king beds in our hotel rooms, and at home we have a queen, and a double bed is a tiny little bed. I didn't realize just how small it was. We have an under-the-window P-TAC unit. I'm not going to turn it on because it's not good for the sound in the room while I'm doing the video. We have blackout curtains that don't really move the way they're supposed to, but that's always the case. And outside the window, you have a view of the parking lot, and there is a pool down there. It looks like there's a couple of people down by the pool. I don't know if you can even see that with the reflection here. Over here by the bed, there's no drawers next to the bed. We have an alarm clock. It's got a 3.5 millimeter plug, I guess, to be able to play stuff on your phone or whatever. Over here we have 2 outlets, and it has USBs on the top and the telephone. Room's pretty well lit too. Like there's a bulb out over there. But anyway, that pretty much covers it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, share, and follow us on social media. And be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip. Now here's something I forgot to cover, so I'm adding this in. On the side of the little unit where the television is, they have a couple of 110 volt outlets, and then component input with sound, computer input, VGA, HDMI, and audio mini, and then video input, the yellow, the white, and the red for or audio mini for the standard video input, and they got buttons to select which one you want to use with a 10 amp breaker on it. However, this thing, apparently the power cable comes up through the back behind the television. It's supposed to plug in, but when they built the place, they only provided 2 outlets back here. So this thing is completely dead. It's not plugged into anything, and they could have just plugged it in right here. The cable's not long enough to plug in, so it's kind of useless. And it would probably be more useful if it was over by the bed or by the couch. But anyway, I just wanted to mention that.